Welcome to Sonic Sciences, where we uncover the science behind sound, vibration, and human behavior. Today, we're focusing on the intricate process of forming new habits. Habits are the invisible architecture of our daily lives. From brushing our teeth to our morning workouts, these repetitive actions shape much of who we are. But what does it take to form a new habit? And how long does it actually take to make it stick? To understand habit formation, we need to start with the brain. Our brain seeks efficiency. When we repeat an action regularly, it builds neural pathways to make that action easier and faster. This process is called neuroplasticity. The more we repeat a behavior, the stronger these pathways become, until the action becomes almost automatic. But how long does it take to form a new habit? There's a common belief that it takes 21 days to form a habit. This idea originated from Dr. Maxwell Maltz, a plastic surgeon who noticed it took about 21 days for his patients to adjust to their new appearance. However, recent research presents a more nuanced timeline. Establishing a new habit involves several key components. 1. Cue, the trigger that initiates the behavior. It could be a time of day, an emotional state, or another behavior. 2. Routine, the behavior itself, the action you want to turn into a habit. 3. Reward, the benefit you get from the behavior, which reinforces the habit loop. To successfully establish a new habit, consistency is crucial. Repeating the action in response to the cue and rewarding yourself for the behavior strengthens the neural pathways. Additionally, making the behavior enjoyable and aligning it with your values can enhance your commitment. Let's dive deeper into the psychology of habit building. Our brains are wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain. This is why the reward component of habit formation is so important. When a behavior is followed by a positive outcome, our brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This dopamine release reinforces the behavior, making us more likely to repeat it. Dopamine also plays a critical role in motivation and learning. When we anticipate a reward, dopamine levels increase, motivating us to perform the behavior. Over time, as we continue to receive rewards for our actions, our brain starts to associate the cue with the anticipated reward, creating a powerful habit loop. However, building a new habit isn't just about repetition and rewards. It's also about overcoming obstacles and staying committed during challenging times. This is where understanding your triggers and setting up your environment for success becomes essential. Here are some strategies to help you establish a new habit. 1. Start small. Begin with manageable actions that are easy to repeat. This reduces the likelihood of feeling overwhelmed and increases the chance of success. 2. Be consistent. Perform the behavior at the same time and place each day. Consistency helps reinforce the habit loop and makes the behavior more automatic. 3. Track your progress. Use a journal or an app to keep track of your habit and see your progress. Visualizing your progress can boost motivation and provide a sense of accomplishment. 4. Be patient. Understand that it may take time and occasional setbacks are part of the process. Don't be discouraged by occasional failures. Instead, use them as learning opportunities. Building a new habit is a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and self-compassion. By understanding the science behind habits and applying these strategies, you can create lasting changes in your life. Remember, every small step forward is progress. Thank you for exploring with us at Sonic Sciences. If you found this video insightful, consider sharing it with others who are interested in the science of human behavior. Stay curious and keep learning. In this chapter, we will explore advanced techniques for habit building. First up, habit stacking. Link new habits to existing ones. Another technique is visualization. Visualize yourself performing the habit. Next, the 2-minute rule. Start with habits that take no more than 2 minutes. Lastly, the accountability system. Have someone hold you accountable. Implement these techniques for lasting habits. Let's look into the science behind habit stacking. This method helps you build multiple habits without feeling overwhelmed. Habit stacking is based on cue and routine. Attach a new habit to an existing one. The established habit acts as a cue. This leverages the brain's ability to create connections, easing new behaviors. For example, stack journaling after your morning coffee. Drinking coffee triggers your journaling session. Over time, your brain associates the two activities. Research shows this method minimizes mental effort for new habits. Piggybacking on an existing routine reduces decision fatigue. With practice, habit stacking becomes a powerful tool. Try habit stacking and transform your daily routines. Tracking your progress can significantly improve your habit-building journey. It's not just about measuring success. It's about understanding your journey and making necessary adjustments. A visual representation of your efforts can be incredibly motivating. It keeps you accountable and shows how far you've come. Like a fitness tracker, a habit tracker provides tangible evidence of your consistency. Use a habit journal or app to record your progress. Creating a streak can be a powerful motivator. It helps you keep going even on less motivated days. Tracking helps identify patterns and triggers. Address challenges by understanding when you tend to skip habits. Celebrate small victories to reinforce positive behavior. Tracking provides valuable data to refine your strategy. Analyze your tracker to understand why a habit isn't sticking. Break down habits into smaller steps or stack them for better results. Tracking is crucial for habit formation. It keeps you accountable and provides insights to optimize your approach. Start tracking today and transform your habit-building journey. Let's talk about the role of accountability partners in habit building. Having someone to share your progress with can make a huge difference. An accountability partner supports, encourages, and holds you accountable. You're less likely to skip habits because someone else is paying attention. This external motivation is powerful, especially when internal motivation is lacking. Sharing your journey provides emotional support and makes the process rewarding. In summary, an accountability partner can be a game changer in your habit-building journey. A habit loop has 3 parts: cue, routine, and reward. The cue triggers the habit, the routine is the behavior, and the reward is the benefit. Identify these elements to understand and change your habits. Recognize patterns and disrupt them by changing routines. Replace negative routines with positive activities. Create new habits with clear cues and rewarding outcomes. Take control of your behaviors and make lasting changes. Establishing a new habit requires consistent repetition to strengthen neural pathways in the brain, a process known as neuroplasticity. Research suggests it takes an average of 66 days to form a new habit, though this can vary based on the complexity of the behavior and individual differences. The habit loop consists of a cue, routine, and reward, with dopamine playing a crucial role in reinforcing the behavior by providing a sense of pleasure and motivation. Consistency is essential as it transforms the action from a conscious effort into an automatic response, embedding the habit into your daily routine and reducing cognitive load. Patience and perseverance are key, as setbacks are part of the process, but with steady commitment, lasting behavioral changes can be achieved. Building a new habit is a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and self-compassion. By understanding the science behind habits and applying these strategies, you can create lasting changes in your life. Remember, every small step forward is progress. Thank you for exploring the process of building new habits with us at Sonic Sciences. If you found this video insightful, share it with others who are interested in the sciences of human behavior. Every day we make our future with our habits. A stable foundation is needed to build on. Stick with it, whatever it is. Always do your very best every day.